Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculating standard deviation for a probability distribution is actually super fast when you follow these 3 simple steps to find the final result in 60 seconds. First, we find the expected value of x squared by multiplying each squared x value by its corresponding probability and summing them up to get exactly 4.92. Boom! Next, we calculate the variance by subtracting the square of the mean from our previous result. Since the mean is 2, we subtract 4 from 4.92. Nice! Finally, the standard deviation is simply the square root of the variance. Calculating the square root of 0.92 gives us approximately 0.96. You win! Great work! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't forget to square the mean because using the mean alone is a common trap.